What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I wish I could have been live during the fall that we've seen yesterday, but my allergies have been just weird, and this is the time of year where that does happen, right? So it sucks that we're seeing any type of popularity or movement or hype or whatever during this time period, because I can't really put out as many videos. I'm going to try and put out four today, but it all depends how everything's working. Right now, things are kind of clear. My eyes are a little bit watery, but that's all that we have here. But I do want to talk about the crypto market because I said this before, and I think we need to talk about it a little bit further as to maybe what I mean by it. And I think I did explain within that video, but as we get to some of these levels, I just want to reiterate that this is your last chance to buy cryptocurrency at these prices. Not your last chance to own cryptocurrency, but when you see the market explode, everything is going to explode to ridiculous levels. And then when you see meme coins that break out, you're going to see newer meme coins that come in, and then you're going to have those opportunities. But the thing that we're seeing is with a lot of the utility coins, you're not going to be able to buy it at these prices or be a part of it with this many coins in the market for some of your favorite positions, whether you're talking about XRP or you're talking about Solana or Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever, right? You're going to see so much opportunity and so much growth within a lot of these plays, not only Bitcoin, but a lot of altcoins. So I want to talk about this market. I want to talk about where it is right now, what looks kind of enticing to me, and honestly, just maybe give you a little bit of reassurance as to what we should see within the bull market. So if you could, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter or follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. And one more thing, I have a leverage trading platform, Margex, that has been kind to me. Not lately with some of the positions that I've made, but I'll go ahead and talk about that in another video. But mostly if we look at a lot of my positions, it has been insanely kind to me, and a lot of my gains has been insanely kind to me. So, and that's not just to say that the system has been kind, but also my investment style has been a larger form of success, right? So feel free to check out that link down below. But let's go ahead and talk about the entire market. As the entire market, if you didn't see yesterday, let's say you live under a rock or you're just getting into crypto because now it's starting to hit some of these lower levels. We're seeing it at a $2.44 trillion market cap. Bitcoin's dominance has risen since the last time we looked at it, which it was around 53%, and we're now looking at it at 54.17%, and we're seeing it up 1.15% over the last 24 hours. So it has risen quite a bit in this time where everything seems to be dropping down. Now we know in 6 days ish we're going to have the halving, which is a big deal. And during that day, hopefully, I have my schedule pretty free. I'm not 100% sure, but hopefully I do have my schedule pretty free because I would love to kind of stream the entire day, which might not be great for my family, but it would be great to just talk about what we expect during after the halving and how long it will take. Right now we're seeing fear and greed index that has been kind of pulling back a little bit, which is great to see it at 68 versus being at like the 80 or 90 level like it was a while ago, and being at extreme greed. But either way, we're seeing the market down by 7.17%. Bitcoin's down by 4%. Ethereum's down by about 7%. BNB is down by 4%. Solana has definitely, dove a little bit down 12%, down to about $150. XRP or down 11%. And Dogecoin down 13 or 14%, Cardano 14%, Avalanche 18%, Shiba Inu 12%, Bitcoin Cash 12%, 13 or 14% for Polkadot, and so on and so forth. You can see everything that has been dropping down. If we look at some of the bigger, pullbacks, we're looking at Core, we see Thor Chain, we see CFX, Theta Network, Dog with Hat, that has pulled back to $2.7 billion market cap from a 4.3, I believe, billion dollar market cap. So things have fallen back quite a bit within this. But this is why I say this is your last chance. I'm not saying that this is these prices are your last chance to get in. This like bearish momentum that we have been seeing over this last maybe day or two, extremely bearish momentum in the last 24 hours. Um, this is kind of your last chance to kind of get involved in the crypto market, whether you're dollar cost averaging in as it does decrease, but we expected to see some sort of a decrease before the halving. The halving creates an event to where you're seeing rewards that are cut in half for Bitcoin. And when you look at everything that's kind of moving in the market, you see the market react to that halving in more of a negative fashion typically, right? You're seeing that it's either staying flat or decreasing for the next 6 months afterwards. That's history, right? I believe history will not completely repeat itself, but the form of what we will see, yes. So basically, we will see it, decrease a little bit, and then we'll see it skyrocket. However, how long will it take to officially skyrocket from the news of the halving, right? From the actual halving happening, will we see crypto pick up a month after, 2 months after, 3 months after, 6 months after? What do you expect there? My expectation is no more than 3 months, and it could honestly be instantaneous. But we have to wait and see. We never really know. It all depends on how you and the next person and the next person and the people next to them react. It's all depending on how people react to the market. If we're just kind of at a like, well, let's see what happens type of thing, then it's going to be more of a hold price. If we're at a, well, let me sell just in case, then you're going to see it as a sell price. Then when you go ahead and you see it as like the halving is the biggest news ever, and you just see it pump and pump and pump and pump, that's what you're going to see that happens with the price, right? So it's definitely, we're definitely in like a weird situation here. It's like, what do people do? Do you sell? Do you buy? Do you hold? I'm doing all of the above because I'm only selling at my exit strategy. I'm not selling at a certain place in the market. I'm selling at my exit strategy for certain positions. I sell a portion. That's my plan. That's my play. And I'm buying more as we see lower prices. So even if we do see even more lower prices, I'm going to buy more. So I feel as though I have a good strategy, but it really all depends on how the market reacts. But I expect to see a $5 trillion market cap. I expect to see a $10 trillion market cap. Just not going to happen overnight. It's not going to happen over a week, but we will see it happen over a little bit of the long term. So I don't expect any type of overreaction here from a lot of people. I hear from what people are saying, this is the time to buy, and they're telling me of like what they're buying and what opportunities they see, and it's always great to hear some positivity in more of a negative market. But guys, let me know what you think. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below for my Patreon, for my Twitter, for my Margex referral link. Feel free to check that out. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.